What's going on YouTube? I just wanted to make a quick video to talk about after cell reference and how you can lock in cells, which is extremely useful when you're trying to multiply stuff in Excel. So here we have an example where we have lists with various numbers and numbers that you need to multiply to get these new lists. So when you normally try to multiply something, let's just say the 6 right above here times the cell that's to the left. What you see is you get 5 times 6 equals 30. But whenever you get this and you drag it down, you notice that you get some kind of weird values. Here you get 10 times nothing is nothing, 15 times a word, and basically this is relative reference. So whenever one cell moves, the other cell moves by the same amount. So here you can see, you see G12 becomes G13 when you drag it down, but H9 also becomes H10, which can be an issue when you're trying to multiply everything by the same value. So to do this, you can lock in a cell completely by going up to the formula bar right here and by putting dollar signs around before the H and the 9, which is basically just the column of the row. And by doing this, multiplying the information that's in list 2 by the specific number right here, because you use this can become an issue because doing this, now you have 6 times 130, but that isn't really any use. You have 180 times 6, but that's not useful to you either. But if you only want to lock in a column or a row, you can do this as well. So if you only want to lock in a column, only have a dollar sign before the H. So now, like you see in this example, the dollar sign is only before the H, right? So you can drag it out like this, and here you can see you have 30 times 6, and you have the same numbers, but this changes because when you only have the column locked, you're looking to drag it down. This right here goes down as well, right? So it stays in the same column, but it will still change rows. Now, if you only want to change rows, for example, instead of having the dollar sign in front of the H, you have the dollar sign in front of the 9. So now you see whenever you try to drag this information down, you have numbers that stay in the same row, right? So here, so here you have 90 times 6, right? Because it's in the same row. But whenever you are looking to, you don't have the issue like we saw earlier of the changing row, where you would get random zeros and values. But this is important too, because whenever you are looking to multiply out across the row like this, it stays in the same row. It stays in the same row, but here, like because it moved one column over, it is now the number to the left times 7, and because it moved one column over, it moved, it's 8 times the number to the left. And as one last important note, there actually is a shortcut to do this. So if you are looking to lock a cell in place, there's a shortcut where you just press F4 and that should lock your cell in place. But if that doesn't work, because I know that on some computers, like the laptop that I'm using right now, if I just press F4, that actually is a rewind key, and really doesn't do anything when it Excel. So just hold down the FN key, and then press F4 at the same time, and that should lock in your cell, with the FN key being the function key. So I really hope that you all found this to be useful and helpful. And I'm gonna just kind of recap for a second. So just put so if you want to lock a cell in place, which is like is also kind of absolute reference, just put dollar signs between the letter and the number, which is like the column in the row. And if you only want to lock into the column, put a dollar sign only before the letter. If you're only looking to lock in the row, just put a dollar sign only before the number. Please like, subscribe, comment, let me know if you have any questions, comments, or concerns. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day.